Hi guys, it's Jamie Greenberg, celebrity makeup artist, and I partnered with FabFitFun. That's right, I'm trying to get mine, and FabFitFun saw that. They actually liked me. They really liked me. And so we partnered up, and we brought this box to you. It's Christmaka in September, okay? So in this box, I haven't opened it yet. I have no idea what it is. It's their fall box, and it's $49.99, but there's gonna be over $200 worth of merchandise in here, full-size merchandise. We're talking lifestyle, beauty, wellness, fashion, all in that genre, all in those genres. And so we're gonna open it, and I'm gonna be just as surprised as you. And then you're gonna take my code and you're gonna order it for yourself and for a friend and your grandma and your aunt, because Christmas is coming. Winter is coming, people. I'm opening the box. We're doing the ribbon cutting. FabFitFun. Wait, is this Pandora's box? Am I opening something that, no? Okay, all right. Oh, if you guys could only see what I see. Oh my God! Not only that, but you guys, hold on, let me get this, just gonna, sorry. Do we recognize her? I think so. It's Christina Applegate. And guess what? I did that makeup. This is just, it's all coming full circle now. So I'm just gonna sit here and read my, hi ladies. Oh my God. All right, well, I don't wanna take up the whole video by reading the mag, but first you get this gorgeous magazine catalog, Magalog. And it's gonna tell you all about, oh my God, she looks so good. That was a fun day. All right, you guys, I digress. Let's go. Let's get in here. We have a coupon. Enjoy $3 off one box of Luna bars on a 12 to 15 cat. You get it on Amazon. I'm telling you, we're already getting things and we haven't even shared the love. Well, the first thing that we have in here that I know I love already is a beauty blender. And you guys know that I'm obsessed with beauty blenders. And I know offhand, this is like $25. Like I am obsessed with beauty blenders. Beauty blenders run my life, okay? Okay, next we have this is a Geranium Blossom Day Cream from Grown Alchemist, a free from skin aging toxins. So there's no sulfites, no artificial fragrance, no DEA, no TEA, no parabens, no paraffins, no synthetics, no colors, no glycols, no haterade. Oh my God, this is so exciting. A full one, full. Okay, I'm feeling you, I'm into this. Okay, so far I'm psyched. This is a Hydro Repair Day Cream. So a great moisturizer that's gonna repair your skin in a very natural way. I'm very excited about this little bag because I can put snacks in it for my kids. No, I'm excited about this because this is a new pair. My husband's back there. We lose these every day. Our kids take them. I think they eat them. But this is Cobra wireless earbuds. I haven't bought wireless earbuds yet, and now I don't have to because I have it in my FabFitFun box. Next, we have a Luna Rica cashew butter filled with fruit and nut bar. It's gluten-free, non-GMO, and I love a Luna bar. Who doesn't love a Luna bar? Glam Glow bubble sheets. If you guys know anything about me, you know I've used these. I've done these on Insta Live. I've done these on YouTube, and these are very fun. I got two, so I could do like a nighttime routine with a friend or my husband or my daughter, even though she doesn't need it because she's 7, but she likes to get involved. So Glam Glow, love Glam Glow, Hollywood, California, baby. This is so fun. I'm legit having fun and learning all of this the same time you do. Okay, so this is Yoga from Kyokyo. Looks like Kaylee Cuoco, but it's not. From Somatology Detox Bath, post-practice relaxing soak bath made with Mediterranean salts and goji berries for active minds and bodies. We could all use this. And I love the container it comes in because recently I had a glass one in my bathtub and I knocked it and it broke and then no one could take a bath that night. It was a whole thing and got to get the vacuum and then, so this, you could throw it around like a football. Like a bag of peas, and it's not going to go anywhere. So great, this is a detox bath. We all need that. We got to take care of ourselves inside and out. This is a Simply Whimsical towel. I'm super psyched about this because it's going to go in my kitchen. Does anyone else go through kitchen towels like water? I don't know. I do. So thank you, Simply Whimsical. It's a homemade pretty towel. Definitely going to be in mine. Wait, there's more. I can't believe there's more. This is from Skin & Co. Blue and Capri Shower Gel. Limited edition. This is Italy. Oh, gotta open it. I love this smell so much. Yes, I smell it. It smells amazing. This is gonna just transport you to Capri. Okay, I'm kind of bugging right now because I'm obsessed with Alfred coffee and tea. And then this is from Alfred Coffee and Tea. Let me get my little opener right here. And it looks like a teapot. I mean, this is crazy that this box is only 50 bucks. Yes, it's a little teapot and it's so pretty. It's not like they're giving you things that fall off the truck here. They're actually giving you really pretty things, like nice things. Like, how psyched would you be? Guys, listen, by the way, I have to give a lot of like birthday gifts and a lot of just gifts in general. This is a great $49.99 gift. Plus, if you buy one box, you get $10 off with my code. But I'm just saying, like, this is a great gift. I'd be super psyched if I got this. Oh my God, there's one more, a Vince Camuto bag? What? This is so cute. This is adorable. Look at me, on the go. Put my laptop in there. I'm gonna put my laptop in there, my blue capri, my towel, my Kaylee Cuoco Somatology, my Luna bar. I'm gonna put everything in here and I'm gonna call it a day. And I'm even gonna get you in there without your box. FabFitFun, and I wanna go read my maglog, so I'm gonna put this in there too. And I'm a woman about town. I'm a woman about town! So I'm super excited about my FabFitFun box. I'm gonna close this. I just want to tell you guys that this has been a really exciting experience. And if you want to give somebody the same excitement that we just had together, do it. Use my discount code. All the information is below. Have a fantastic day. Comment below. Tell me what you want to see. And I will be testing out these products for further videos. So just keep coming back and hanging out with me. Thank you, FabFitFun, for partnering with me. And thank you, everyone, for joining us today. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you soon.